Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now. Stand up, stretch, and take 3 deep breaths to increase circulation. That immediate movement interrupts drowsy inertia. Next, drink a glass of cool water to restore volume and sharpen focus. Then choose one clear task and set a 25-50-minute timer. The combination of movement, hydration, and a short deadline changes your chemistry and motivation. Once done, make sure your study area has minimal distractions, so the momentum from these first steps carries into deeper work. You now sustain focus by structuring the session. Work blocks of 25-50 minutes paired with 5-10-minute active breaks keep sleepiness from returning. During work, increase ambient light with cool white bulbs and face the light source because bright light signals wakefulness to your brain. For steady fuel, chew gum or eat a small protein plus carb snack to avoid blood sugar crashes. That helps you stay alert without feeling heavy. Once you notice fading attention, use an active break to rehydrate, move, and reset your posture. You finish by doing a 5-minute review to consolidate memory and give your brain a clear stop point. That practice reduces mental drag later. If you're still drowsy, try a strategic 15-30-minute nap or immediately switch to an active modality like summarizing aloud or teaching someone novelty wakes you up. Finally, adjust your baseline sleep schedule towards 7 to 9 hours so study sessions aren't fighting chronic sleep debt. If nothing works, troubleshoot by checking caffeine timing, room temperature, and recent sleep quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.